Hi, this is Roger. Thanks for dropping by. It's Friday morning. It's about 5:45. I've been up 15 minutes, sorted Mojo out, got myself a coffee, and I'm fine. All signs and weariness and stuff seems to have gone away with a decent night's sleep. But this is a thank you for all your well wishes. It's greatly appreciated, and quite honestly, it's a bit humbling. Humbling enough that I'm now going to probably spend the next 2 hours answering all your lovely comments. Everybody will get a reply, even if it's only an acknowledgement. And thanks for all your offerings. And I must admit, if I'd thought it was seriously serious, then I would have sorted myself out and got transport organised. Like several said, if it's serious enough, then it doesn't matter what the taxi costs. You just get a taxi, don't you? So anyway, Friday morning, I appear to be fine. And thanks for all your comments. It's greatly appreciated. Yeah, it's not light yet. Mojo's out having his morning walk around the garden, as he does. And yeah, I'll get on with these comments. Thanks again.